Just another short video, just thought I'd post up, just chatting about this Universal Works denim chino jacket shirt. I'm doing some work on at the minute. I've just shortened the sleeves, just over an inch. Put all obviously the correct colour stitching back and everything. And there we have it, Universal Works. So obviously they're very well made. If you know them, if you know the brand, you know it's a quality product. They've got all the working, all the metal buttons on there. Some nice finishing on the inside. Apologies, the camera's not focusing there. The pull back with the cord elasticated back there with a double seam. So there we have it, Universal Works. If you've got any questions about alterations or repairs, guys, drop me an email. It's Michael at Michael at thedenimdoctor.co.uk. Thank you very much. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you.